Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need a few essentials before you dash. Confirm your ink build and input mapping, then bind the dash key to something reachable. Start by practicing single press taps. Press the dash key once while moving to trigger the basic dash. You'll notice stamina or cooldown UI change. That's important because it limits use. Once done, make sure latency is low and controller dead zone is adjusted so your micro inputs register reliably. That prevents missed dashes in tight windows. Now you build complexity by controlling direction and chaining. You can hold a direction during the dash to curve your trajectory or flick for sharper turns. The physics responds differently depending on speed. To chain dashes, time the next dash near the end of the cooldown, about 80 to 90% recharged, so momentum is preserved. Also, combine dash with jump or attack to cancel laggy frames. Press jump or attack during the dash animation to maintain speed and extend mobility. Finish by applying dash for traversal in combat. Angle your dash upward to reach ledges or clip thin barriers and use horizontal burst for gap crossing. You can tweak cooldown and stamina in settings or scripts to tailor feel, lower cooldown for aggressive play, higher for challenge. If you hit problems, troubleshoot. Verify input buffering, ensure dash animation has priority over others, and check server or local latency. If dashes still fail, remap keys and test in a clean scene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.